You guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So today's video, I am putting the house, or should I say we are putting the house back together after the kitchen remodel. The first thing that I did was get my furniture clean. You guys, even though it was covered, I feel like they needed a deep clean. I also hired help to help me clean up after the kitchen remodel, and while she was cleaning in an area, I was cleaning the other area, so it worked out perfectly. So they cleaned everything, like the windows, every little space, and the hubby cleaned outside because that got real dirty as well because they were cutting stuff out there. So here I found these curtains at Home Goods, and I'm gonna set them up, and you're gonna watch later in this video that I decided to take them down and return them.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
Finally, you guys, we set up the Christmas tree. Oh my God, I am so excited. I feel like I'm late, but honestly, this year I'm just taking my time and not rushing into any season because I think we just need to pause ourselves. And yeah, here's our new Christmas tree. This one is from King of Christmas, as well as the one from last year, but I opted for a green tree this year, and I love how realistic this one looks.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything.
Goodness for Ruggable Rocks, you guys. After we set up the tree, I brought them down again. I gave them a nice wash in the washing machine. I'm telling you, the best thing ever, like the best investment, are these rocks. So I'm gonna leave a link down below in case you're interested.
Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody.
So here are the new drapes that I'm going to be replacing the ones that I just put. This one are more of a white linen color. That's what I was looking for. And the fabric is a lot thicker. So I totally recommend that brand in case you run into it at your local Home Goods. And what I like is that it blends in with my walls. And that's the look that I was going for. A very monochromatic look. Very airy, very whitish. I know, is that even a word? But here's the hubby helping me out to put those up, and I honestly love how they look. They look so luxurious and they feel that way as well.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
As it was time to decorate the Christmas tree, I am excited to share that this year I am doing a traditional Christmas. So I'm doing a traditional with a Katie twist. So you know I have my twist. So I'm using a pop of color, and it's red and white on the tree with a little bit of black. You guys, speechless. Love it. So the garland that you see there, the white ones, are from At Home. These berry picks are from At Home. The red florals are from a local Champ store here in Miami. It's like a Christmas store. And yeah, you guys, all the ornaments are from different stores because they're from last year, and some are new from this year as well.
That's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me
I don't have a mantle. I decided to kind of create a garland around my fireplace using Kamano hooks. Hopefully, I'll let you know if it holds this way, but I am here just putting my garland, and then I'm gonna put some stocking in it as well using Kamano hooks. I honestly love how it's looking so far. Hopefully, it stays all the way until Christmas. We'll sure see. Guys, and this is it. This is the Christmas tree. I honestly think this video does this tree not justice. It looks so much better in person, but here's how it turned out. I love it. It's very simple. I love how all the green of the tree shows. I didn't overdo it with ornament this year. I just wanted simplicity with a pop of traditional, and that's exactly what I got. Even the UPS guy that came to do a delivery said, "Oh my god, you designed a beautiful tree. Can I take a picture for my wife?" And I said, "Of course." I was so like, oh my god. But here it is. This is it. Stay tuned for a decorate with me for Christmas.